Improve your copywriting skills. Advanced copywriting made easy. Hi, I'm Cecilia Elise from Inventicity Marketing Agency, and I have made a framework for you, which I call the Inventicity Framework. And this will help you improve your copywriting. Even if you're not an experienced copywriter, this will help you to write great text to promote your products. So, when you write to sell, then you must tell how you can improve your customers' lives, and you must be very clear, and the text must be very easy to quickly understand, and you must be transparent. If your audience feel that you are trying to manipulate them, then they will leave. You must be transparent about the benefits of your product and don't promise too much. If you have a great product, a really great product, which you know will help improve a lot of people's lives, then you feel so positive and happy about it, and that positivity and happiness shine through in your marketing, in your copywriting. That will help a lot. I have made a worksheet for you which will help you write a great email or a great ad, or even maybe a great blog post, a promotional blog post. And what you have first is, of course, the headline. The headline is very, very important, because with the headline you grab your audience's attention. If you don't have a great headline, then they won't even read the rest. But you don't have to write the headline first. I suggest that you start with your customers' problems. Make clear that you understand your audience's problems and that you know how to solve them. Tell your audience how your product will help improve their lives and how it will solve your audience's problems. Be very clear and precise. There is a beauty in precision in almost everything we do, in engineering, in writing, in art, and copywriting is no exception. There is a beauty in itself in precision, and what's most important is that if the audience quickly understand exactly how your product will solve his or her problem and exactly how to use your product, then the chance that you will buy that, the chances that they will buy your product increases. Then there is a much greater chance that they will buy your product. So, first you have the headline, and then tell the audience that you understand their problem, inform them on how exactly your product will solve their problem. And then we have which is probably the most important part of your email or your ad, and that is the call to action. Tell the audience how to take action. And I suggest that you do this in steps, in 3 or 4 or 5 steps. The first step can be to buy your product, or maybe to download your freebie. The second step should be an easy instruction on how to use your product. And the third step will be about what your audience's lives will be like when they are using your product or when they have used your product. Yeah, so this was the first lesson in my video course about copywriting. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you. Bye.